Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to my website, AZ Food Insider. So this is my website that I'll be giving reviews on different restaurants in Chandler, Arizona. And here's just a map of Chandler, and here's a description, kind of rundown of what this website is about. Under the Restaurants tab, you can find different restaurants. You'll find their name, address, phone number, hours, menu, some pictures, a map to show their location, and my review. So go ahead and check that out. And under the Sweet Treats tab, here you can find desserts. So Ice Cream Sammy's is actually my favorite. You should definitely go check them out. But here's their address, their phone number, hours, a link to their website, pictures, map, and another review. It's basically the same thing. And under the media tab, you can find a link to my Instagram, Twitter, and my tweets. And once again, it's just kind of like a rundown description of my website. Under the About Me tab, you can find a picture of me. My name is Brittany Wickman, and it kind of describes me and like what my life is about and why I chose to create this website. And under the Contact tab, feel free to leave me any questions or concerns. I'd just love to hear from you. And thank you so much. I hope this was helpful.